Oqale njengebhizinisi elincane lokwenza imali ngesikhathi engumfundi oswele enyuvesi, namhlanje sokube olunye lwezibonelo ezinhle zama-brand aseNingizimu Afrika athengisa izinto zokuhlobisa ekhaya ezisezingeni eliphezulu. Bukeli namhlanje sixoxisana noThembeka Dube, onguyena umsunguli weDube Essentials. Thembeka, sikubingelele sikwamukele ku-SABC leHigh. Sibonge kakhulu ngesikhathi sakho. Mhlawumbe ngaphambi kokuthi singene kwingxoxo yethu, mhlawumbe sichazele kabanzi ngokuthi iyini iDube Essentials.
Okay, Sanbona. So Dube Essentials, it's a home decor brand, and the brand it's decor for ekhaya, your office space, or anywhere really. And then Gakulugas, we just try uti. It can be a space in which you can for intentional living. Gunama candles, ama diffusers ilawana ama stick ngaphakathi, and then it diffuses the scent. Nama candles which are scented, and then sina nama decorative trays, nama coasters for your glasses and everything else.
Ngiyakubona njengoba kukhona ke la tafuleni, kodwa ke ngifuna ukuthi mhlambe sike sibuyele kamuva kwingxoxo yethu uThembeka ukuthi mhlambe ikuphi ekakwenza ukuthi uqale leli business. Siyazi ukuthi ubuse university ngaleso sikhathi, mhlambe sichazele ngeinkinga wahlangabezana nazo ezakwenza ukuthi uqale ke leli business.
Oh, okay. Honestly, mina mengi student, meng broke, meng funa an additional income. So before mengenzela abangani bam amakhandlela. So kahle before COVID, ngathenga crash course candle making. Ku-Udemy, it was like 50 rand, and then ngasifundisa ke lapho ukwenza amakhandlela. And then mengenzela abangani bam amakhandlela, so ngabona ukuthi oh okay, I can actually ngiyakwazi ukwenza ama-candles, and then ke ngasengathi ithi ngilontshe business. So ngacala ngama-diffuser nama-candles kuphela, kodwa mengathandi ukuthi ama-candles aphuma kuma-glass jars. So ke ngathatha isikhathi ukuthi ngisifundise ama-concrete crafts what the UK and the US market. So ngibhekile kakhulu ukuthi what are the people in the UK and the US ukuthi bona bayenzani, ngafunda ke ngama-concrete craft. So hence why ke kunalawa ama-vessels ke lawa wami lawa ke, these are the candle ones. Because mengathandi lawa with glass, so ilawa they scented as well, and then ama colors wethu ilama black and white, these are the lama black and whites, nama browns as well, because essentially iDube is zebra ngesiZulu and isibongo sami ke leso. So anginawo pink, anginawo blue, ama black and whites.
Ngibanga ngoba uchaza ukuthi iDube izebra ngoba ke ngiyabona, kodwa sizophinda sike singene phakathi kwazo. Ngifuna ke mhlambe sike siqonde kabanzi lento ngoba Thembeka iqiniso ukuthi baningi abafundi eNingizimu Afrika ababhekene nenkinga yemali ema-universities. Mhlambe wena ile mali noma ke ukuqala leli business kwakusiza kanjani uqinisekisa ukuthi mhlambe ukwazi ukuthi ubhadele izikweletu zakho zase-university at the time?
At the time mina ke kakhulukazi, so Lena, it wasn't the only business mengiyenza. I also had like a side hustle. I used to work at a restaurant. So that's how I started kahle business, from imali yotoho yami at the time. And then nama fees ke ngiloke ngiwabhadala kanjalo, ne business ke ngiloke ngibhadalela for ama fees.
Ake ke sicale ke singene ke kulo itafula lethu. Mhlambe ke ukwazi ukusichazele kabanzi ngiyazi ukuthi ke njengoba uchaza ukuthi iDube from kulela side lakho usichazele kabanzi ukuthi iyini mhlambe yiko okusetshenziswayo nokuthi ungayihlobisanga ngakuphi indawo endlini.
Okay. So lena ngeyi-tray mina ngibiza i-prayer hands tray. So lana yes, so lana ke uzofaka amakhiya wakho. Yabona la tafula mawungena endlini, ngelana ungafaka amakhiya wakho, ku bedside maybe ungafaka ne-jewelry yakho. Even as a ashtray, you can use this as an ashtray, or even for your salt laphana ku stove top ungalo ufaka isalt yakho lana. Ngabanye abantu angithi bathi isalt iperforma mayivulekile lana than ukuthi uyifake ku salt bottle. So you can also put your salt in here or as an ashtray, right? And then kuna le color lena, kuphinde futhi kube na le color lo brown.
Yes.
Lo brown.
Yes.
And then we also have ne lena as well. Na lena again nayo ungayisebenzisa as a tray for laphana ku entry. Same purpose ungasebenzisa nayo faka amakhiya ne jewelry yakho. Nama diffuser, maybe lana uzabeka diffuser khona with the same table, your entry table le uzofaka amakhiya khona. Uzafaka yona diffuser yakho, ufake futhi namakhiya ne watch yakho, anything. It's decorative.
Ngiyakubona and angikusho ukugcwala umlomo ukuthi kuhle ngendlela eyisimanga futhi usukwelinye izinga njengamanje njengoba ke mhlawumbe sichazele kabanzi njengoba uye waqokwa ke laphayana kwi Woolies Youth Makers Program, mhlawumbe sichazele kabanzi ngayo.
Okay, so Willis Youth Makers Program, it's actually a competition. A competition yakhona sangena, so it's all about empowering youth-owned businesses lana in South Africa. So saya we were obviously mokuni criteria ukuthi udingakala ini at the time. So I'm one of the winners, yabo. And then they've given us a lot of opportunities yokuthi we can showcase our brands in shop wabo in a few of their stores in the country. Kunabanye ke bathengisa impahla, abanye bathengisa ama accessories ke nathi, abanye ke nokudla. And then they've just been empowering us, showing us, mentoring us ukuthi how can we ukuthi singayenza ukuthi i-business ama-business wethu abe ngcono kanjani, some business acumens, izinto esingasifundisa ngazo. Yeah, and then siloke siya showcase ke last week beka mesise Durban at Gateway. Miss showcase from the 22 to E2 zaka June, and then this month sizoya ke Mall of Africa from E22 zaka July until E2 zaka August.
Thembeka nginethemba lokuthi kunomfundi njengamanje osenyuvesi mhlambe obukile othi Thembeka nami ngikhona ibhizinisi engilizamayo engiliqalayo njengoba ngila esikolweni kodwa ke mhlambe ngenza njani uqinisekisa ukuthi izinto zami zakwazi ukuthi zingene kwimarket mhlambe nangokuthi ipricing mhlambe ngikwazi ukuthi ngicharge kanjani mangabe umuntu eseqala wenza kanjani.
Kufuneka nje ukuthi wenze research uplane and wenze research ucheck ukuthi abanye abantu in whatever industry ofuna ukungena kuyo. Check what are other people doing. That's very important. Check ukuthi abanye abantu bayenzani nini kanjani. Now ukuthi kuzoba lula ukuthi now uzomeasure i-price yakho. Also ungakhohlwa ukuthi i-pricing ihamba nge-cost price angithi. So if wena kuthatha ukuthi lento leyo yenzayo i-costa i-20 rand then angeke ucharge 20 rand angithi. So those are the things ofanele ukuthi ucheck. Ucheck nokuthi i-product yakho ifike ku-customer lakho kuzocosta malini and you charge according to that. And I think research, like I'm saying, it's very important. And nokuthi futhi ungakhohlwa ukuthi ku-business you don't stop learning. Awumi, you know, uzochubeka ulokufunda na uzifundisa. Also mawusongenile ku-industry uzoloku ubona ukuthi abanye abantu bayenzani, uzoloku ukhuluma nabanye abantu network angithi, uzoloku network nabanye abantu uzwe ukuthi abanye abantu bathi even if akusi business efana naleli wena olukuyo, let's say wena ufuna ukungena ku-business ukwenza amazipho kodwa omunye umuntu wenza inwele. Ucheck ukuthi nalo wenza inwele angangisiza kanjani singasizana kanjani.
Kuhle kakhulu engikubona la kwaDube Essentials kodwa ke mhlawumbe singavumelana ukuthi alikho ibhizinisi elingabi nazo inkinga kakhulukazi ngoba ibhizinisi leli esikhuluma ngalo futhi ke uyena wachaza ukuthi waqala ngemva kweCovid uqala ngamakhandlela kodwa ukuze ufike lesigaba okusona mhlawumbe uchazele kabanzi ngeinkinga owahlangabezana nazo okwemali owahlangabezana nazo nokuthi ke mhlawumbe uyakwazi ukuthi udlule kanjani kuzona.
Inkinga meziziningi kakhulu mina futhi I'm self-taught. So kakhulu like nemali yokuthi uzohlanganisa imaterial ukuthi lokhu uzosifundisa imali leyo. And enye into as well is mawi business entsha abantu bathatha isikhathi sokuthemba ngithi ngiyafuna ukwazi ukuthi mangizothenga le diffuser izonuka kahle mangifika ekhaya izoperforma ekhaya na or le khandla lizoshisa and lizoyenza lento lo muntu lo athi lizoyenza. Khona so into mina ngayenza ama market. So ngazijwayeza ama market khona la mina based eJoburg. So mina every month ngiyenza ama market, at least ama market ngiyazi ukuthi ngizohlangana nabantu bazoloku bengitshela ukuthi no sithanda lokho asithandi lokho angithi nawo lokho uyabheka ukuthi abantu yini into abayikhonzile into abangayithandi like that. So those are my challenges and then that is how I fixed it ngokuyema market kakhulu.
Ngifuna singene kulolu daba ngaphambi ukuthi ke sivale ngoba ngiyacabanga ukuthi umbukeli ubhekile lapha yana sithola kuphi mangabe ufuna ukuyothenga nokuthi Thembeka ke simthola kuphi ukuziqinisekisa kwazi ukuthi sithenge izinto zakwaDube Essentials.
So kwaDube Essentials sikhona ku-Instagram, ku-Instagram sina i-bio yethu that takes you to our WhatsApp catalog. And then Instagram yethu ikwadube_essentials. And then i-WhatsApp number yethu i-069 267 8355 and then khona lapho kuna ne catalog yethu la ungascrolla khona uzobona i-collection yonke iphelele. Sina ne website kodwa website yethu isasephansi but as it opens i-website yethu ithi kwadubeessentials.co.za and then sawenza ke nama market ama-update ama-post ukuthi sikuphi siyawaposta nalapho ku-Instagram.
Sibonge kakhulu ngesikhathi sakho kuhle ngempela mbukeli ke besikhuluma ke laphayana noThembeka aDube kwaThembeka kwalaphana kwaDube Essentials okuyizinto ezinhle mbukeli ezokuhlobisa ekhaya noma ke endlini elisezingeni eliphezulu mbukeli izingaka ke thina besikuphathele zona namhlanje. Umhlahlo wesimo sezulu uyalandela kusuka kimi nethi balonke lohlelo ziphakwazi shisa sithi kuwe ayixabene.